Did you know that to ease joint discomfort and support flexibility, sometimes we don't always need to rely on medication or expensive treatments? The truth is, the solution may already be right in your kitchen, using natural, affordable ingredients that can bring surprising benefits. With just one simple recipe, you may notice your joints becoming more flexible, discomfort easing, and your body feeling stronger day by day. Stay with me until the end of the video to discover this secret. To begin this recipe, let's take a closer look at the key ingredients. Each one plays an important role in supporting joint health, and when combined, they create a perfect quartet that may help ease discomfort, nourish, and naturally support cartilage health. The first ingredient in today's recipe is flax seeds, tiny but loaded with nutrients, especially rich in omega-3 fatty acids. With just about 60 grams, around 2 ounces, you can add an excellent source of energy that may support bone and joint health while also boosting your immune system. Omega-3s are well known for their ability to help ease inflammation, support joint comfort, and promote lubrication within the joints. In addition, this nutrient contributes to nourishing cartilage, supporting smoother movement, and reducing friction that can cause discomfort. After preparing the right amount of flax seeds, place them in a grinder and blend them until they are finely ground, making them easy to mix with the other ingredients. In addition to omega-3s, flax seeds also contain a significant amount of fiber, magnesium, and lignans, compounds with strong antioxidant properties that may help slow down joint degeneration associated with aging. Once blended, pour the ground flax seeds into a bowl to continue with the next steps. Next, we need 50 grams, about 8 ounces of black sesame seeds, a nutrient-rich source of calcium and minerals that are especially supportive of bone and joint health. Few people know that black sesame seeds actually contain much more calcium than milk. Calcium is an essential component for maintaining bone density and may help contribute to maintaining bone strength as part of a balanced lifestyle, particularly important for women after the age of 50. In addition, black sesame seeds are also rich in magnesium and zinc, two minerals that may help support joint comfort while contributing to stronger and more flexible bones. Beyond joint health, black sesame seeds are considered a gift for overall wellness, as they may help regulate blood pressure, support healthy blood, and slow down the aging process. The third ingredient is sunflower seeds, and in this recipe, we will use about 50 grams, around 1.8 ounces. These tiny seeds contain a treasure of vitamin E, a natural antioxidant that plays a role in protecting cell membranes and may be especially important in helping protect joint health. Vitamin E may also help improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and support recovery after a minor strain. In addition, sunflower seeds provide magnesium, selenium, and plant-based protein, all of which contribute positively to bone and muscle support. These three ingredients are the main foundation, but there is still one more key ingredient, the one that helps bind and blend all the nutrients and plays a decisive role in maximizing the effectiveness of this recipe. Stay tuned for the next part so you don't miss this secret. Next is gelatin, and we will use about 10 grams, around 1 tablespoon for this recipe. Gelatin is a natural source of collagen, an essential component for supporting the natural function and flexibility of cartilage. Collagen helps joints move more smoothly and may reduce friction, which can make it easier to move without the discomfort or stiffness often felt in the morning. In addition, Gelatin may also support stronger tendons and ligaments while improving skin and hair, bringing dual benefits for both health and beauty. Next, place the black sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and gelatin into a grinder and blend them finely. Once ground, these seeds can easily blend and may be absorbed more effectively by the body. After that, pour the freshly ground seeds into a clean glass bowl. Next, add in the flax seeds that were finely ground beforehand. At this stage, use a spoon to mix thoroughly so the seeds blend into a uniform mixture, nutty, flavorful, and full of nutrients. This is the essential base of the recipe, as each type of seed brings its own unique benefit. Black sesame seeds are rich in calcium. Sunflower seeds provide vitamin E, while flax seeds stand out with omega-3s and fiber. When combined, they create a wonderful nutrient blend that may support both joint health and overall wellness. Do you often wake up in the morning with stiffness in your joints? Share your experience in the comments so we can all learn from each other. After preparing the mixture of flax seeds, black sesame, sunflower seeds, and gelatin, the final and most important step to complete the recipe is honey. Honey is not only a natural sweetener, but it also acts as a binder, helping the ingredients come together into a smooth, thick mixture that's both tasty and easy to enjoy. Thanks to honey, this recipe becomes more pleasant to eat, even for those who aren't used to consuming ground seeds. Now add about 200 grams, around 7 ounces of pure honey into the seed mixture. What's special is that honey itself has long been regarded as a precious natural remedy. In both traditional and modern practices, honey is known for its natural properties that may help ease inflammation, support comfort, and provide strong antioxidant benefits. That's why, when combined with nutrient-rich seeds, this recipe not only helps nourish bone and joint health, but may also help calm internal inflammatory responses, one of the factors often linked to discomfort and joint stiffness. Now, mix the ingredients thoroughly so that the seeds, gelatin, and honey blend into a smooth, unified mixture, both tasty and easy to use. This combination may not only help ease joint discomfort and may provide gentle support for long-term joint wellness, but also contribute to cartilage support, maintaining flexibility and mobility for the body. That is the special feature of this recipe, taking advantage of ingredients that are completely natural, familiar, and easy to find in daily life. And when combined, they become a safe, effective, and sustainable natural support for joint health. Have you ever tried combining honey with different kinds of seeds as a way to support your health? Or simply, which country are you watching this video from? Share your thoughts in the comments, because your stories and experiences can be a true source of inspiration, encouraging many others to take better care of themselves naturally and sustainably. Once the recipe is complete, transfer the mixture into a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid, then store it in the refrigerator. In a cool environment, the mixture can keep for up to 3 weeks. And the interesting part is, the longer it sits, the richer and more pleasant the flavor becomes. With less than 5 minutes of preparation, you can have in your hands a mixture that is simple, natural, and inexpensive, yet may bring long-lasting benefits. This is its greatest advantage, without always relying on medication without extra cost. It may still help support joint comfort, cartilage health, and daily flexibility. As for how to use it, it's very simple. Take one small spoonful each morning before breakfast and keep it consistent for about 30 days. With consistency over time, some people feel more comfortable and flexible in their daily movements. Though experiences can vary, this is a natural and budget-friendly way to support your joints. And with consistency, it may bring sustainable results. So, we've just explored together a simple yet valuable recipe for supporting joint health. With just a few familiar seeds, a little gelatin, and honey, you now have a natural way that may help ease discomfort, support flexibility, and nourish cartilage each day. The most important thing is consistency, because real health comes from small but steady habits. Wishing you lasting strength and flexibility so you can fully enjoy life at any age. Thank you for staying with me until the end of today's video. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like and follow. Leave a comment to share your own experiences and send this video to friends and family so we can all take care of our health together. Every bit of feedback from you is a motivation for me to keep bringing more natural, simple, and practical tips. Wishing you strong joints, a resilient spirit, and plenty of positive energy.